Did you know African lions are the most social of all big cats and live together in groups called prides? Throughout history, African lions have been revered as symbols of bravery and strength. These iconic cats have powerful bodies. They're only second in size to tigers in the cat family, and their roars can be heard from 5 miles away. The coat of an adult lion is yellow gold, and that of a juvenile lion has some light spots that fade with age. The impressive fringe of long hair that encircles the heads of only male lions is known as a mane. African lions used to roam the entire continent, as well as parts of Asia and Europe. However, the species has vanished from 94% of its historic range and is now only found in sub-Saharan Africa. Apart from tropical rainforests and deserts, these lions prefer grasslands, scrub, or open woodlands where they can more easily hunt their prey. But they can live in most habitats. Asiatic lions are a subspecies of African lions that only exist in India's Gir forest in small numbers. Lions are the only cats that live in groups called prides. Prides are family groups of lions that can range in size from 2 to 40, with up to 3 or 4 males, a dozen or so females, and their young. The lionesses in a pride are all related, and female cubs typically stay with the group as they grow older. Young males eventually leave and form their own prides by taking over another male-led group. Males defend the pride's territory by marking it with urine, roaring menacingly to warn intruders, and chasing away animals who intrude. The pride's primary hunters and leaders are female lions. They frequently collaborate to prey on antelopes, zebras, wildebeest, and other large grassland animals. Because many of these animals are faster than lions, it pays to work together. Female lions also raise their cubs in a group setting. Following the hunt, the group effort frequently devolves into squabbling over who gets to keep the kill, with cubs at the bottom of the food chain. Until they're about a year old, young lions do not assist in hunting. If the opportunity arises, lions will hunt alone. They will also steal kills from hyenas or wild dogs. It is critical to assist humans in learning how to coexist with lions in order to ensure their survival. Through compensation programs, conservation organizations are attempting to change public perceptions of lions. Some of these models provide financial incentives to communities when local lion populations increase, while others pay farmers to replace livestock killed by lions. Other conservationists have focused on establishing lion-protected areas. When filmmakers Derek and Beverly Joubert, both National Geographic explorers, turned the land into a protected reserve and photographic tourism camp in Botswana's Salinda area, only a single lioness and her cub lived there. Now, the reserve has around 100 lions roaming it. This shows how human conservation efforts can contribute to the successful thriving of lions in their natural habitat. I hope you enjoyed learning about lions today. Thanks for watching and good luck studying.